Hey everybody, I'm Tim. In today's video, we're going to be talking about some accessories for making camp life just a little bit better. We're going to start off with the TopOak chair, and it's something that TopOak has sent me, and I've tested it and I like it. And I'm not sponsored by them, but they send me gear from time to test out. I'm going to talk about a couple different things I'm testing out currently that I'm really enjoying. I've been using it for 5 months now. I used it over the 4th of July weekend to watch fireworks, and I had a blast with it. So one of the neat things about it is the comfort of this chair. I know this isn't the most compact chair on the market, but for the last 10-15 years I have used very compact chairs. But as I'm getting a little bit older, I like to have something that's a lot more comfortable to sit in. And honestly guys, this doesn't take up that much room, and the comfort, it will surpass any kind of room that it takes up. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So down here at the river, it's all gravel rock and it's very unstable on most chairs. But with the construction of this, you can see it's very well made. It's been working out good for me, and it breaks down very easy and it packs up very quick. With the gravel rock, it's kind of hard to get a very stable footing on this type of surface, but this chair unpacks so quick and it just kind of adjusts to whatever setting we're at. And this new accessory that they sent is going to really be nice. I know a lot of people like myself, when we go out in nature, we like to read, we like to brush up on things, and having something like this is just perfect for it. And it comes with 2 different brackets, and both of them are designed to clamp onto this chair, and I'm going to show you how. The way this bracket is designed to work with the chair is you can get onto it anywhere within here, and all you do is you back this lever up here, and it opens up this clamp. And after so, you can see the groove here. It's really self-explanatory. All you do is tighten it back down to the chair like this. And what it does is it gives you an arm that has several attachments for it. With this clamp here, it adjusts several different ways. And you'll see these holes in there. There's holes on all sides here. And what this is for this mount. Now this mount can stick in this way. It can stick in this way. It just gives you a lot of variable options to use this mount. And the neat thing about it is all you have to find is one of the tubes on the chair, and you fit it around there and you screw it down tight on there, and you have lots of different options to be able to use this mount. Now on the bottom of this mount is just a little metal pad, so things like your cell phone, different adapters like this light that I'm going to show you in a minute. It comes with a remote control. It also comes with switches on it itself. And there's different features of this. If you push this button here, it becomes like a flashing light. But I like these buttons here. This one here will just keep it more of a white light. It has a little softer light. And the red light. And the best thing about the red light is it doesn't attract the bugs. So if I wanted to use this for reading, I would use this in the highest position, like this. I would bring it around. And it's got this little magnet on the back. So with this metal bar here, it's going to clip right to it. And it's going to give me a reading light. I'll turn around so you can actually see it like that. It's going to give me a reading light that's right over my shoulders to where I can look things up in a book. I can read a book, because on hot days like this, I just like hanging out here at the river. So this gives me some versatility with that. And if I didn't want the red light, I could turn on the white light or whichever one I wanted. But what's nice about it, it's USB chargeable. I'm sorry, it's USB-C chargeable, so it connects with my cell phone chargers and everything else that I'm already using. So that's very handy like that. Or you can operate it with your remote control, and you can adjust the brightness, and you can do all those different things with the remote control. You can use anything with this. All you do is unscrew it here, and anything with one of these ball adapters, it's going to be able to screw into or place onto. So that's what the neat thing about that is. And something about TopOak, something I noticed before they've even sent me anything, back when I purchased everything on my own, is with this brand, everything has really been good quality. The packaging's been nice. Anytime there's any kind of bag or anything you have to zip up, they always give you plenty of room in those. So I've always been very pleased with that product. And with this today is no different. It comes with everything you need. It comes with the charging cords. It comes with the actual remote control to this light. And let's talk about this light. And for me, I typically like the red lights. I know it doesn't look the best against my skin, but the red light's what I like. And you can tighten these up and move it back to where it's going to hold in this position. And now I have a nice reading light. When I'm out on trips like this time of year, I like to read this book here. This is written by Tim Ernest, and it's Arkansas Waterfalls. It's the 3rd edition. And if you're like me, you like going out looking for waterfalls and doing hikes, this is the perfect book for you. And with this, I like having this light here because I can go through it, I can read up on this. I'm not attracting a bunch of bugs to the light, so I enjoy that about the red. Plus it's easy on my night vision. I can still look around camp and see everything here. But the biggest thing is I'm able to study up on what I'm going to be doing tomorrow, some of the hikes I'm going to be catching tomorrow. So having a reading light like this is really nice. I've done this without the reading light before. I've used headlamps, I've used other things, but also I noticed there's other uses for this. Whenever I go to bed at nighttime, I put this underneath my ladder on my truck to where it's shining on the ladder and I can see it real good. And what I like about that is it just highlights that ladder area with the red light on, and it shows the ground. So whenever I'm coming down out of the tent in the middle of the night or in the dark, it's just nice to have this red glow. As long as it's fully charged, this thing has lasted all evening. I haven't had to recharge it at all during the middle of the night or anything like that. So if you're looking for a reading light at camp, I highly recommend the TopOak. It's a good product. Same thing with this chair. It's oversized. I think anyone can probably fit in it just fine. But when you sit down in it, it's easy to get into. You can get into it from either side. And when you're setting down, it doesn't feel like it's going to topple over. And I'm in gravel out here. I'm on river rock. And this thing is extremely stable. I don't feel like I'm going to fall down. The legs on it just kind of adjust to wherever you're sitting at. I can put my feet up if I want to and relax. So that's the type of stuff I like about a chair, and it's just extremely comfortable. I can lay back in it. I can look up at the stars. All those things have been great. And I've been using this for over 5 months, and I haven't missed my smaller chairs at all. And like I said before, if I didn't want the footrest in front of me and I just want to use it like a regular chair, it's easy. All I got to do is unzip it. It folds straight down. If I want to get rid of it totally, I can just put it off to the side, and this just becomes a regular chair. My top selling points on this, it's kind of got like an air pouch here, and this all kind of feels that way, kind of padded. But with this air pouch, it feels very comfortable on my head and my neck. It feels just like a pillow back here. I like that part about it. And I've looked at these chairs before in the past, and I just couldn't find one that packs down as small as this does, and that's as sturdy and comfortable as this. Most of them are cheaply made that you find at some of your big box stores. But TopOak really hit this one out of the park, and I've been using it now. Happy with it. I'm going to continue to use it. So I'll let you know if that ever changes. Questions about the TopOak chair, just leave them down in the description. I'll leave a link for it as well. And thanks for watching the video. I hope you got some value out of it. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.